Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can create an account and get your KYC verification on Kucoin. So first you want to open up on Kucoin and then click on the sign up button and she'll drag you here. And now you want to create your and set your email for Kucoin. And here I'll choose mine and then make sure you proceed with the captcha, and then here we will get our OTP, a code for to proceed in our registration. And now there we go, I have received it, and then I'll just type it in. Okay, and then there we go, we have now officially created our account, and now we want to verify, and here you want to click on get verified. After clicking on get verified, you will see this. Make sure you confirm your country or your region where you live in, and then you want to select an ID type you want to use for your verification. And here there are various options, so yeah, and make sure you do the confirmation, fill in the additional details, and then proceed. And that is how you get verified on Kucoin.